Hi guys, welcome to the Tackle Tricks. In this video we are going to review about the Realme GT Neo 2 Dragon Ball Z, which is customized edition and a limited edition. So let's talk about the specification of this phone. This phone comes with the back camera of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel respectively, and front camera of this phone is 16 megapixel. And the processor of this phone comes with the Snapdragon 875G. This phone comes with the two models, one with 8GB and the other with 12GB of RAM. And with 8GB of RAM, it comes with the 128GB of ROM, and with 12GB of RAM, it comes with the 256GB of ROM. And the battery capacity of this phone is 5000 mAh and with fast charger of 65 watt. And Realme said that this phone will be 100% charged in just 36 minutes. I think the Dragon Ball Z fan should have to buy this phone, and this phone comes also with the theme of Dragon Ball Z. The resolution of this phone is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 398 pixel per inch density. The weight of this is about 199 gram. And this variant is available in three colors: black, blue and yellow. The screen size of this phone is 6.62 inches and with AMOLED 120 Hz, and the fingerprint sensor of this phone is under display. So guys, this is the short review of this phone. So don't forget to subscribe this channel.